So this is what? This is your end system. So IP address is 1.2 and gateway is not set yet. We will just click here, IP configuration, and here we can find, yes, the IP address is done, but what about the gateway? 1.1. Okay, 1.1, and close this one. This is set. What we have to do, just put here the sticky note. uh, where is the here, this is the previous version. Okay, come over here, click here, 1.2 for this system and 1.1 for this gateway. Done. What about this one? Okay, we can verify. Now we can see the gateway is set 1.1 and the IP address is 1.2. Okay, now come over here, select this one. Okay, first we are going to see IP address is 1.3. So it is not possible because one network is for this interface. Now we can choose another network. So I mean to say this is class C IP address. So 2.2, this is another network. And what about the gateway? Gateway will be 2.1. Okay, so this is done. Now what I'm going to do, again make here 2.1 for this interface, the gateway, and 2.2. Okay, we already have this 2.2. So anyways, remove this one. This is 2.2. 192.168.2.2 and 2.1 is the gateway. 1.1 and 1.2 for the end system, and this is the gateway. You can choose any IP address for the gateway, but you have to remember. Okay, you have to remember. Now we are done with this system. 2.1 gateway, 2.2 the IP address of this system. Okay, and again 1.2 for this system and gateway is 1.1. We are done. Now come over here. We need to configure this router. So we are here at the execution mode. So we have to see the first command is enable. We can also write in. Okay, now we need to configure. We don't need to show any command. If we need to see, we can write here show run tab, show running configuration. Enter this show running configuration. Enter, and you will see right now what is the configuration of this router. You can see no password is set, and these two interfaces, we are working on these two interfaces, fast Ethernet 0/0 and 0/1. You can see option preferences, always show the port labels. Now we can see fast Ethernet 0/0 and 0/1. This is what I am saying. Okay, 0/0 and 0/1. Okay, now move on with enter key. There is nothing else on this system. Okay, so we need to configure config T. Now we are here, we can configure any interface. So first I'm going to choose, the first step is choose interface. So what is the interface? Fast Ethernet. So for this, what we have to do, select interface. So the interface is what? FA 0/0. This is the command, interface fast Ethernet 0/0. Enter. Yes, this is the right command. Now we are where? At interface level. Now second step, we need to assign IP address. So the command is IP address or IP add. If you are going to press tab button, you will get complete command. IP address of this network is what? 192.168.1.1. 1.1. Okay, and the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Okay, enter. No error. Third step, no shut command. We need to make the status active, alive. Change status to up. Okay, and you can see the turn. This was first the red light. Now it is turned to green. After some time, this will also green. Okay, now we are here at this interface and we have to move on this interface. So first we need to exit from this interface. We are here at configuration mode. Now we need to select another interface. Interface, which one? Fast Ethernet 0/1. We need to see the name 0/1. Enter. Yes, done. Second step, assigning the IP address. IP at our address. What is the IP address? 192.168.2.2.1 255.255.255.0. Enter. Finish. Last step, no shut command. Enter. You can see this is turned to green and you are here. Now you are finished. You can just give the end command and exit from this port. Okay, now you have to wait for this port. When it turn to green, then you can send your message. We have to wait for 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Okay, now it is green. Now select a message, a simple message. Click here and click here. In progress. First message is failed. Second, successful. Now you send unlimited message, you will get the status successful, and you can see this here in the simulation. You see, you're sending message and getting reply back. This is a one way to check your configuration. The other one is select any end system and here come here command prompt. Now we need to check the communication between this device and the selected one. The command is ping 192.168.2.2 168.2.2 ping 192.168.2.2 and we are not getting the response. Ping 192.168.2.2. Okay, let's check. Okay, actually we were there in the simulation mode. Now we are here in the real time. 2.2. Yes, we are getting the response. Okay, we can also check the communication between this device, the end device, to this network, so your router. So you need to know the IP address. The first one starting from here to this interface. This is 1.1. 1.1. Yes. Okay, there is a connectivity. Now with another interface, that is 2.1. 2.1. Yes, we are getting the response. That's mean we are done. Okay.